All right, today we're going to take a look at one of the more interesting Zippos that I recently acquired. So this one's label says skull with brain surprise. It's got that nice white sleeve over the box. It's a genuine Zippo, made in Bradford, PA, USA, and it also says skull with brain surprise on the label. So this is a skull design. Zippo makes a lot of skull designs for their lighters, and this has a two-piece plaque on the front, and this is on street chrome, and it was made in, it looks like L of 18. Pretty good stampings. And the surprise for this skull is the brain inside. That's pretty cool. Lights up pretty good. That is the skull with the brain surprise. Let's do a drop test on this skull. A lit drop test. So this one passes the drop test nicely. That is a skull design with a surprise brain on the inside. Definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.